You are going to love 2021 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, fog lamps, splash guards, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.